Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka Jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka Jingpuli, ka Jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban Leit puli da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo saw san rin prano, lani khandai pran rio laisan, an riway khandai pran. Dr. Dipankar Das, Ubadai Chief Interventional Cardiologist, Unsawan Hanongba Shillong, Haka Arpanyutarek Ujamang Arjar Pulai, Ha Woodland Hospital, Bat Pila Balne Ikandu, Nadu Kapor Katwe Biji Sheneng, Bat Pila Ruban Shukol How number 90890-97907.
Haga ngisa Jngoh arpautarek ujamang arajar arpulai Umtrew rangba ka jalau konrad ke sangma ula Leit ban jurip ya ka Jingpyntrei ya ka State Zoological Zoo kabadana kishnong Umtrew Bhoi district konrad ula yat kejat kumba arpau hadu laipo minute ban pek ya ki saudong saukun haga ni ka zoo kabadang Jingpyntrei shat Lasdang Jingpyntrei ya ka zoo nadu usnem arajar khat khandai bat konrad ula ong bahagini ki khindiat tayo katahu jeliu laniu naitung kila ban pendep ya ka Jingpyntrei. Konrad ukmi lenti bahaswa jong ka sngi Leit lut ka khat santarik unailor arajar arpulai kani gazu kan sedang trekam no bat onwanra ya kimrat hangni. Kani gazu kadon haga jaka ka ba laispa ekar. Ya kimrat na pannong Leit park ro onwanra no haga ni gazu hadin baladep penbit penbiang. Kani gade ke projek kebalamang ban pelut live san klor tengka nrei haga bentak ban kong la pelut dang arpway klor tengka bat haga bentak ba arpat on sa pelut khat sau klor tengka.
From Umtrew and village, two villages in Jngoh. So this is the visit plaza where we are standing. This is cafeteria, and this is the staff quarter area. This is the cafeteria. So this is the separate area. This is for the visitors. From here, once we go down, this is the animal enclosure. All there's a parking. Parking is this. This is the
How many parking?
sir.
How many cars?
Sir, we have put two type of, one for the big vehicles, one for the car. For the buses, we have the put up around 50, and for cars, as per our is around 100.
So this project is a total 35 crore project, and till now we have done the first phase, which is approximately 21 plus crores. So in the second phase, another 14 plus minus crores will be done. But apart from that, as I said, apart from government investment, we are hopeful that once we create the necessary infrastructure, we will get private investment also going. So this project will be far bigger than the 35 crores that we have planned. The idea is to bring and keep them in a much better facility. The facilities that they're kept in right now are not as per standards that are there, maintained at the national level and international level. These particular areas that have been made are as per the standards given by at the national level. So therefore, these will be much more spacious and will have the necessary safety measures and all the other criteria that are required. And therefore, the forest department will be the nodal as well as the administrative and the overall, the office or department that is going to look into the management and running of this place. But in order to ensure that we are able to run it in a professional manner, we would want, and different activities, we would want the involvement of entrepreneurs and private sector from the state to come in, and so that our boys and girls also can then get employment opportunities, because there will be restaurants out here, there will be different parking space which has to be managed, there will be different children's park that will be there, cafeteria will be there, the different emporium and different shops will be there, souvenir shops. So we feel strongly that all of this we can involve the local entrepreneurs and our young boys and girls to get the economical benefit of such activity. We have visited the zoo here, and this is the Meghalaya Zoological Park, and this was initiated in the year 2019, and in the last 3-4 years the work has been going on. Of course, there were numerous challenges that were there along the way, but I'm happy to see that we have progressed to this point. And after my review today, I have been told that we expect the infrastructure to be ready within the next 45 days. That is within the month of July. So June and July, we should be able to see the infrastructure being completed. And we are hoping that after all the clearances that are given from Government of India and the concerned authorities, we will be able to officially inaugurate the zoo with all the animals and all the infrastructure ready by August. So I'm hoping that before August 15th we're targeting. Of course, we'll see how the progress goes, but a target date of before Independence Day, we're hopeful that this will start so that people from Independence Day onwards can actually visit this particular zoo. Animals out here, from black bears to leopards to clouded leopard. We have then the different kind of deers we'll be having out here, fox, hornbills, there'll be bird sanctuary. We also hope to have a small water body where we'll have different migratory birds also coming in. Hullock gibbons will be there. So like that, we'll be having as many animals that are kind of indigenous to the state, and also we will try to get as we go on to the second phase and other phases. We hope that we'll be able to expand and we'll be able to get animals from outside also.